Welcome to this Delph Stack tutorial. In today's video, we'll create a Discord bot that sends random messages. The bot replies randomly only when a specific command is used. This keeps responses controlled and prevents server spam. It only responds when triggered. Here is the bot setup. Copy your bot token. Open Google Chrome. Search for botghost.com. Log in and open the dashboard. From the left menu, click Add a new bot. Follow the setup steps. Paste your bot token. Complete the setup process. After setup, open Settings on the left. Scroll down and select Custom Commands. Click Command Builder. Select main command and set a trigger such as hi. Add a short description. In Actions, scroll down and choose Random Reply. If hidden, open Settings. Disable Hide Legacy Reply to reveal it. Drag random reply and connect it to the main command. With random reply selected, click Add Response. Add multiple responses. Repeat until all replies are added. Click Save Command. The command is now saved. Open your Discord server. Press Ctrl+R to refresh. Wait for it to load. Type / in your command, like hi. Press Enter. Run it multiple times to test random replies. The bot sends different random responses. Replies trigger only when commanded. You control every response. The bot never sends messages without input. This keeps your server clean. We have created a Discord bot that sends random replies on command. It uses predefined messages, not timed automation. Thanks for watching. Check out more Delph Stack tutorial videos.